I'm Tobias. Here's a classic quote, often attributed to Henry Ford, but who knows who said it first. The man who says he can and the man who says he can't will both be right. In magic, when I practice a coin sleight, if I think I might drop the coin, eventually I will. That belief will affect my muscles, my nervous system, to the point where the imagination will become reality. In your business, if you approach a client assuming they won't buy, if you give instructions to your employees assuming they will not get through, they won't. But you can change what's in your mind. Decide that today's the day you're going to solve that impossible problem. You will continue at it until you find the way through because you believe there is one. And once you believe that, it becomes possible. That's how we make magic.